Going forward, what should the previous clientele or customers of these two banks be worried about?
Well, I think the two banks' issues are very different. Okay, Dubai Bank was facing a liquidity crisis for a pretty long time. I think central bank must have assessed the balance sheet position, must have looked at the liquidity and the ability to revive the bank, and probably come to the conclusion that the balance sheet was not strong enough, for the bank to be revived, and the only option was to put it in liquidation, so it could realize the assets and pay the deposit holders. Imperial Bank is a very different story. It's really, for the first time in the corporate governance of Kenya, directors have walked to the Central Bank of Kenya or to any regulatory authority and said, we have a serious, we have found a serious problem in the bank, and we need your help to resolve it. And obviously CBK must have looked at the issues on hand and thought, that just to protect the depositors in the short while, let's put it under receivership. And, it's just to protect the investors. But we have to remember that there are three differences between Imperial Bank and any other bank. Here is the directors who found an irregularity and reported it to the, central bank. Number two, it is the only bank to have been put under receivership with huge liquidity. And number three, it had a reasonably strong balance sheet. What needs to be seen is what were the issues the governor has promised to give us some indication, by today.